We're against demigods. Apex, all Apex, Apex 1 and 2, Apex 1 and 2. We're going to do triple rush, huh? Oh, it's radicals. Okay, we expect this to triple team us. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Everyone platform, Apex 1 and 2, def. Apex is Apex 1 at our junction, Apex 2, stairs, and amp box. Claw later on, middle. Claw 1 and 2, middle. And then BOA, MVP platform, secure. Vision syrup, important, and summon syrup. Expect, guys, expect that we're going to get ganked by this team, huh? Trivium. These are also Team Sun. Okay, cut cafe up, cut cafe up. Milby, good for 30 minutes. Go now. Sake grass juice, click. Claw 1 and 2, after you take the middle, I want you to break radicals, which is red. We're going to attempt triple rush, ha? I don't want to get broken. Apex 1 and 2. Apex 1 and 2. Okay, everyone go to the platform now. Rush. Camouflage up. Engage, engage, engage. Kill everyone. Camouflage up again. Kill demigods. Buff, 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 buff. Spam your camo, spam your camo. Sword on the performers of the enemy. Okay, claw, push towards push towards the green one. Push towards the green one. Camo up. Kill them, kill them. Push, claw, take care of the front line. Apex, take care of the back line. Apex, take care of the back line. Apex, take care of the back line. Claw, wipe them in the front. Claw, wipe them in the front. Boa, spread out. MVP. Damn, guys, MVP killers. What happened? Push them. Claw, push demigods up to their choke point. Go down the stairs, Claw. Claw 1 and 2. Apex, take care of the far side. Claw 1 and 2. Push them. Push the green one. Remove the land pro, Jurmon. Remove the land pro. Choke this demigods. Claw 1 and 2. Choke demigods. Don't go to the middle yet. A lot of doomsday. 58 seconds. Apex 1, go to our junction now. Apex 1, go to our junction. Apex 2, vision sweep, go to our base now. Go. Boba, stay at the MVP platform, ha? Wipe everyone at the MVP platform. Manual resu. Claw 1 and 2, I want you to camp radicals. Sorry, I want you to camp demigods. Push them. MVP platform, all Boa. Suma 1, all Suma 1 of Vision Syrup. All Suma 1 of Claw 1 and 2, go to the middle now. All Suma 1 of Apex 1, stay at our junction, ha? All Suma 1 of Apex, go to the 3 o'clock. There's a lot of trivium here at the middle. Take the middle. Claw 1 and 2, take the middle now. Summon. Take the middle. I want to take the middle first. Sojak, take the middle. MVP killers, guys. MVP killers. What's happening to Boa? Chat. Apex 1 and 2, just def for now. Apex 1 and 2, we're being attacked. Vision up. Amp, summon back, amp. Apex 1 and 2. I don't want to get broken, ha? Boa, non-MVP killers. Boa, non-MVP killers. Can you go to 3 o'clock? Claw 1 and 2, hold the middle. Claw 1 and 2, hold the middle. Claw 1 and 2, hold the middle. Let me scout 3 o'clock. Nomar, can you check 9 o'clock? Okay. Trivium is taking it's okay.
Here for now.
All Apex 1, go now to 3 o'clock. All Apex 1, go to 3 o'clock. Boa 1 and 2, go to MVP platform again. Summon your party. Claw.
Mini group of demigods at 9 o'clock of MVP platform.
Take.
We have another stack demigods on platform of MVP.
Take 3 o'clock. Take 3 o'clock first. Take 3 o'clock first. Apex 1. Take 3 o'clock. Let me go take 3 o'clock. Claw 1 and 2, take the middle. We will triple rush still. Apex 2, please full def. Apex 2, please full def. Apex 1, take 3 o'clock. It's just Trivium. You can beat Trivium. Apex 1. I'm there with you. Go fight inside the circle, guys. Claw 1. Can you help Apex 1 here at 3 o'clock? Claw 1, go to 3 o'clock. Claw 1, go to 3 o'clock. All Claw 1, take 3 o'clock. All Claw 1, take 3 o'clock. All Claw 1, fight inside the circle. Apex 1, Claw 1, fight inside the circle. What the fuck? Why are you at the south side? Inside the circle. You will not make it move if you're outside. Good job, Dragon.
MVP.
Fight inside the circle to make it move. Claw 2, stay at the middle. Claw 2, stay at the middle. Take 3 o'clock. All Suma 1. Suma 1 of Apex. Suma 1 of Apex 1. Suma 1 of Claw 1 and 2. Run to 9 o'clock now. Go. Suma 1 only. Suma 1. Apex, Boa, and Claw. Summon 9 o'clock now. Summon 9 o'clock. Apex 2, please def. Full def. Apex 2. Summon 9 o'clock now. Claw 2, run. Run to 9 o'clock also. Summon 9 o'clock. Why isn't someone summoning? Summon 9 o'clock. Take 9 o'clock, guys. Suma 1 or Suma 2, whoever can summon. Run 9 o'clock. All Apex Boa.
At boy 9 or 3?
3 guys. He means 3.
3. Go 3. Putang ina nga. Sorry, POV. Go 9. The red one. The last one. 3. Go 3. Summon 3. Run 3.
There's
Or
not
run
a lot.
3.
Go inside circle. Inside circle now.
Expel. Those who are left here at 9. Apex to def.
There's one here in the amp. Kill that guy.
Vision syrup. Kill that guy.
One party, someone in amp.
Oh, they're taking the 9 already.
Radicals is we're still outnumbered here at 3.
Okay.
Kill, guys.
Another round.
Ah.
They broke it. Okay, Apex 1
Broken.
and 2. Apex 1 and 2. All Apex 1 and 2. Go now 9 o'clock. Apex 1 and 2. All Apex 1 9 Apex 1 and 2. Go take 9 o'clock. Claw 1 and 2, go take the middle. Boa. Please contest the MVP platform. Boa 1 and 2. Check your gears. Nice one.
That's all.
Two more. Question for the 3 o'clock. Is this Radicals full guild on the 3 o'clock?
Kind of like half. It was pretty full. We were still outnumbered. We didn't have
Full
enough
guild?
of Boa.
Okay. I think we can take the 9 o'clock better and then summon at the later. 2 more MVPs, guys. 2 more MVP. Boa. Party of Nomar. Can you choke demigods? So that we can take the choke demigods MVP platform.
One radical leak last on 6 o'clock MVP platform.
Vision again. Claw 1 and 2, just hold the middle. Claw 1 and 2, just hold the middle. Apex 1 and 2, contest the 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock minimap. Bawa 1 and 2, Nomar, can you comms? This is full guild, Even Demigods is full guild.
Copy. Yeah, we're here at the choke point of Demigods.
Choke Demigods.
Come
Boa.
go down here. Boa.
All Boa, I want MVP platform. I want to secure 2 more MVPs. Claw 1 and 2, just hold the middle. Okay, it's moving already. Let me check 9 o'clock, Boa, all Boa. Checking Radicals. Radicals is full. Radicals is full at 3 o'clock. Okay. Good. Claw 1 and 2, get ready middle, 2 more MVPs. MVP North, about to appear. We will not steal. I want stable on the south. Apex 1 and 2, I just want to hold the 3 o'clock. The 9 o'clock. Party of Nomar, choke Demigods.
Yep, choking. Don't go up, Boa. Just stay here at the choke point.
Claw 1 and 2, hold the middle, Who's leading on the MVP tribute? Nice one. One more. Apex 1 and 2, just farm the 3 o'clock. Pressure on 3 o'clock.
Reso in the choke point, Demigods.
There is one leak on our MVP platform.
Get ready, guys. Get ready your Cat Cafe, We will summon at 9 o'clock after the last MVP. Prio summon all supports. Claw 1 and 2, there are a couple of demigods sniping you. Expel quickly. It's even on the south side, no? Radicals and Trivium. Spam. Apex 1 and 2, I want you to put your fields now on the ladder. On the stairs, coming from the blue. Put your skills in there so that people cannot summon there. Apex 1 and 2. They keep on coming back, Apex 1 and 2. I want one performer on the stairs. Apex 1 and 2, I want one performer and one German. They're going to contest this 9 o'clock. Apex 1 and 2. Just fight Trivium. Check your gears. Manual rest. Apex 1 and 2 is under pressure now. One more MVP, guys. Spam your Sufra. Exojak, you are Exojak. Oh, MVP. Wait. Boa. MVP. Vision Syrup now on the south. All Suma 1. Get ready. We will summon now. 3 o'clock. All Suma. All Suma, get ready. All Suma. Apex and Claw to summon, Apex and Claw in Boa. To summon at the 3 o'clock. Outside. Nanakawan tayo?
Not yet.
Hindi yata.
South.
Good job.
Nice one. Summon
Nice
3.
Going
Summon
3.
Summon 3. Everyone, summon 3. Summon,
everyone.
cut cafe up. Summon 3, cut cafe up. Expel. Cut cafe up. Cut cafe up. Push. Cut cafe. Manual reso, guys.
Taking three.
Manual reso. You have to take that
Nice
one.
Go
Summon
inside circle, everyone.
Circle fight. Cut cafe.
Nice one.
Nice
Nice.
one. Amazing.
Good job, everyone.
Sorry. My mistake. 9 and 3. What the F?
It's okay, bro.
My orientation. Sorry. I apologize. I even curse. Yeah, that's full guild. But 2 MVPs, First 2, But Apex, thank you for defending. But I don't know. Guys, Team San again next week. I want to take a break next week, but it's Team Sun again. Thursday we're going to deny 2 guilds on Thursday, so please be online.